The project name is Dry Wet Garbage Separation. In this, the garbage is separated based on whether it is dry or wet. For this, we have used a dry wet sensor. When this senses wetness, it will turn towards the right and the material will fall into organic waste collector. When it is dry, it will turn towards left and the material will fall onto inorganic waste. Inorganic waste and organic waste are separated in this manner. Now, to rotate this, we have used a small motor and there is a sensor which is a distance sensor. When you place the material, it senses the presence of material, then it makes a decision whether it is an organic or inorganic waste, and accordingly it will turn right or left and separate the garbage. Now this entire thing is controlled using a microcontroller and it is supplied power using an adapter. Now we can see we have to switch on the power supply, switch it on. Now if you put a dry garbage which is inorganic, so it will fall into the left tray. If we place an organic material, see when we are placing there is a small light glowing there. Okay, okay, let it come back. Okay, there's a small light glowing there. When I place this wet material, the second light glows indicating that this is a wet material and it will turn towards the right. Okay, and it is supposed to fall here. Okay, so we place it like this so that it falls like that. Okay, now after this process we have to reset the circuit. Okay, this way dry wet garbage is separated. Now this wet garbage is put into the shredding machine. The shredding machine will cut material into small pieces. Once these pieces are collected and put into a shredding container. Now from this will go to composting. Composting is an oxygen assisted process of converting this garbage into useful material. The same material is also placed in vermicomposting pit. Here, with the help of earthworms, the organic material is converted into fertilizer useful for plants. There is another method called anaerobic digestion. In this is an oxygen-free environment where the composting material or the shredded material is placed in a tight container. This will convert using microbes the material and decomposes it. Okay, now we have also considered the composting. Composting is a process of converting the organic waste into useful material. Now there is also biogas. In this is also an anaerobic reaction wherein in a closed container this shredded material is placed. This will generate the methane gas which is useful for cooking and other agriculture purposes. Finally, you will get the fertilizer. This fertilizer can go into plants growth as an organic fertilizer. Now, the process of microorganisms to break down organic matter under controlled conditions instead of landfills is a beneficial method. There are distinct benefits of wet garbage processing, which are already explained here. Now, using this material, the student can easily explain the process of dry wet garbage separation and converting that material into useful material by further processing it. So, this is the end of dry wet garbage processing separation project.